Nate, I don't know if we can make it in this parking garage. Dude, look how low that is. I mean, you can, but I mean, that's low as shit.
7-foot clearance.
I don't know about it. You're good, you got clearance. Look at that. You got clearance. It's close, very close, but. All right, so we made it to the top of the parking garage. This is the other side. The boardwalk's on that side over yonder, and this is the other side. And we're gonna go play pool down there. So let's go do that. So we ended up playing pool, and we played like no rounds because it was closed.
None, no rounds.
So
at all.
Maybe if I wouldn't have wrecked my truck last night, we would have been able to play some pool. But we couldn't play pool because it was closed. So we're just gonna go find something else to do.
I guess so. What are we gonna do?
I don't know. Okay! Okay! Why is there a sign that says okay?
Have you seen a sign?
And that one says only! You can turn right on red.
Can I?
Yes, it's okay! This is ground zero where I L-did.
Where he L-did the L.
There's the marks right there. Someone quit their job today. Look at all these shopping carts. They're just freaking everywhere. Like, literally shopping carts everywhere. They're all full. There's just carts everywhere in this parking lot. Like, what the heck? I'ma get your ass! Oh shit!
Oh, he's gonna get your ass, bitch!
Oh, it's all flying off.
Truce!
Truce! Truce!
I lost all my cans.
There's just a little bit.
My cans went flying.
So basically what happened is, filming this after the fact, basically what happened was driving the truck down the road. The roads were wet and slippery. My rear tire, it hit a curb. And as it did, the rear axle slid back, flipped the whole truck around, and it bounced up a curb. And once it bounced up a curb, it hit a low spot and basically like a ditch in the grass after it bounced up. And it just, the perfect storm managed to happen, and the truck flipped over. It's just a freak accident, and I'm just glad we're all okay.
Man, you scared the everybody, son. You came in the worst way in the group message. You didn't say anything else. Nobody, like, you weren't responding to anything at all day, and then out of nowhere it was just truck's total. And then man, like, everybody was whoa, what, and then you weren't answering at all, and everybody was freaking out, bro. Like, bro, I was starting to cry a little bit, like, and I'm not an emotional person. And keep everybody you love, everybody that means something to you, you know, love everybody, you know, just love life. Anything can happen at any moment.
That's for sure. Y'all, I love you guys. All right, fam, Mob Mellow. All right, we got Harris in the back. We got Caleb right here.
I'm in the front seat.
Change of pace. We sold the dirt bike, the project dirt bike that got for $200. We sold it for $750. That's a flip right there. And on to the next one. So we're gonna go find another one and do the same exact thing.
Less than a week.
Because that's just how we roll. Is we buy shit, we flip shit,
how we roll.
and sing it, Caleb.
This is how we roll.
All right, stop singing good. Okay, so I just wanted to update y'all. Project bike for $200 was sold and made a profit of $550. So
And that's in a week.
That's not a bad deal for a week. All right, so coming in here, going to take a look at it. Oh, look, there it is. There it is. Wow. That is in bad condition. Oh boy. I mean, it looks great from the back, but then you look at the rest of it. What? How is this broken? Like, out of everything that could break on this truck, the R broke on the pre-runner. Ooh, yeah. Definitely some major body damage. Oh boy. Yeah. That's a stress. Oh yeah. This truck is very much totaled. Here's my transmission fluid for my built tranny. I'm going to go ahead and pull the subs out, get everything out, and I'll go from there. I mean, it doesn't seem blown. It's a mess. Just been ripping stuff out of it. Here's this. That was a USB charger. I'll leave that in there. Deal with it later if I can. Look at my windshield. Golly. Oh, dang. I had some stuff in here. Broken glass everywhere. Golly, you could see just broken glass all over the place. So I just guess I'm gonna start getting some stuff out to the car. Oh, here's my stuff. Oh my goodness. My sub box moved pretty far. Golly, that could have freaking killed us. Oh, look. Here's a freaking knife. That could have freaking killed us. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. I guess I'm gonna move these subs here. Alright, subs are in the passenger seat. Here's my transmission filter right here, along with tranny fluid. Oh, this one popped. Oh man, it leaked tranny fluid in my truck. Man, that's my tent. My tent was so nice on this truck. Wow, that's like, this right here, if you could see this right here, you can tell that the truck's gonna be bad. Oh, my little tree. I need my little tree. Put the little tree inside of this little thing. Yeah, you need a little tree. I'm keeping my rock lights on for now because I might come back and get it later. Holy shnikes! That's a piece of glass. Talk about 1,000 ways to die. Yeah, that would freaking yeet you. Aww. 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 There's stuff everywhere. Center console, yeeted. Oh, there's my stuff. I'm gonna pop the hood and see what the engine looks like. Hopefully it still opens. I don't even need to do that. It's freaking right here. Oh boy. Just shattering that windshield. I just need the hood open. There is fluid everywhere. Oh my goodness, where did that come from? Looks like transmission fluid. But I mean, look! Okay, so I didn't tell y'all, but I fixed this battery connection. I put a positive wire on it. I mean, it was red, but I mean, it's just a negative that connects from here to there. I put a new connection on it, so it worked fine. The battery stopped breaking. It's just that happened, but golly. This thing is covered in oil. You could just see all the oil on the bottom side of that hood. Cold air intake's looking good like always. Well, that comes off easy. Now my freaking grill won't go back in. Alright. That's fine. Oh, look at my rear view mirror. Hi! 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 Look at my rear view mirror. It's facing the other direction. Windshields are strong. Look how caved in this roof is. How just caved in that is. That is goofed. I bet you it closes. It closes. It opens and closes perfect. It's not totaled. Oh, come on. I'm gonna put the whole grill in the car. If they want it later, I'll come and give it to them later. Golly. And a half. I just bought new windshield wipers for this thing. I feel freaking terrible. Man, it won't close. Dang it. Alright. That's a mess right there if I ever seen one. God dang. This thing is flipped. This thing is geeked. Look at all the damage right here. I mean, for what happened to it, it's really not in that bad a condition. But she is most definitely totaled, that's for sure. Thank you to all the companies that have helped me out in any way. All these companies, I basically, if I have a sticker on the truck, it's because I used one of their products, or I mean 1320 is different and all that stuff. But I mean, golly, I need to get it appraised in the condition that it was in, so I'm gonna leave it basically in the condition that it was in. But after that, I'm gonna take the wheels off, or possibly if I buy it back from insurance, I'll be able to keep everything on it, and I would possibly do an exo cage, maybe run a hacksaw through right here and right here, and then maybe everywhere else, and just make a complete exo cage body, which I feel like would be freaking sweet. So basically just cut everything out with a hacksaw, and I mean, it'd be freaking game over from there. So there's my truck right there. Golly, this thing's a mess. Daggum. I'm still surprised this thing didn't pop. The daggum. Man, look how close those body lines are. Man, I bet you couldn't get body lines that close even if you were freaking Dave Kindig. Gosh dang, those body lines are freaking tight. Dang! At least that part. And these ones are a little wide, but I mean, we can scrape them back up. That ain't too bad. And you come down here and it looks like that. Goofed. So, on that note, I will catch you later, Taco Supreme. Nice taillights. And I'm gonna take the rental back to my house and unload all this stuff. It is golden hour and we're at the top of the parking garage yet again because we're going to play some pool. So let's go play some pool, Nate. Finally. We finally got to go play pool. We're finally here. Car's intact. Let's go play some pool. This is a very sketchy elevator.
I don't like elevators.
Do you like elevators now? What if we die? You know, there's been a lot of things not wanting us to play pool. Like, what if we just died in the elevator?
That's what I was thinking about when we got in it.
Ooh,
I looked down, I was like, maybe we're not meant to play pool.
We're not meant to. All right, let's roll. Still going. 10 games later. All right, we just got done playing some pool.
But as you know, Poe is good at all.
Shut up.
So Poe won.
Hey, I'm only gonna take credit because I totaled my truck in the process, but yes, I won. So I feel great about myself. But I also totaled a truck, so I lost.
It took 3 days and a flip truck to play pool.
3 days. We're gonna pick up Landon, and if he wants to, we're gonna go back and play some more pool, and hopefully we don't flip anything.
It's just not meant to be.
Oh, shit. I accidentally pressed 6, so I just pressed them all. The restaurant ran out of quarters. If you need to get quarters and want to play some pool, there is a place that is 24 hours because the banks are closed right now. 24-hour laundromat. This place is literally called Coin Laundry. So they got coins and they got laundry. So I got $20 worth of coins.
You get the best
and we're gonna,
of both worlds.
Copyright infringement. So we're gonna go back and play more pool without Landon because he didn't want to go. I am the pole, I got the hose, I'm on a boat, that bitch does float, and we got strippers on a pole, and you already know that we're gonna get some dough and we're gonna throw some mo. He's been laughing for like a minute now, like an actual minute, not just a said minute. I broke and scratched. And Nate thought that was funny.
English on it, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna hit it just right, you know what I'm saying?
That was not what you wanted to do. I just lost.
Oh. What?
Oh, boys. I got a frog. And every single ball we hit, we scratched, so we had to stop playing because it was that bad. Every time we would touch the ball, it was scratched. We're tired of pool. And I got a frog. I bet we could. Oh, man. Well, someone's got a free bear.